Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a super quick and simple tutorial of how I do my hair every day, like my wash and go process. People have been asking which products I use, and yeah, here you go. So that's basically it for the hair tutorial. I only use like 3 products really when I do my hair. I figured out that Cantu Kids works a lot better on my hair than like regular Cantu, and this is only $5. This gel I just started using not too long ago, and it's 2 pounds of it, and I got it for like, I want to say like $3. It was less than $5, and this is about to last me forever. And it's kind of heavy, so I always go back with the wet t-shirt, and I just scrunch my hair up to get rid of all the like extra product. But whenever, I forgot to brush my hair before I put all the product in, but I always brush before and then I put all the product in and I brush after. But make sure you brush in like an outward motion, or else your hair is gonna be like really flat. Really flat. Dang, I just missed a. But yeah, and then just so my scalp doesn't dry out, I use tea tree oil. I also use this on my face, and it helps a lot with like my scarring and stuff like that. But yeah, that's pretty much it for the tutorial. That's pretty much it for this video. Thank you for watching it. If you guys have any suggestions of the products that you use, just comment below. Let me know what works for you, what hasn't worked for you. I want to try new products, but like right now, I'm really liking how this works on my hair, and I recommend it if you want like bigger curls. Like when my hair dries, it'll be a lot bigger than this right now. This definitely helps with like volume. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, whatever you want to do. But bye.